Hello everyone and welcome back to ComfyUI 2025. Today we're leveling up your AI-generated videos. If you're using models like WAN or LTX, you know they look great but feel empty without sound. Today I'll show you how to generate high-quality synced audio using the MMAudio model. ComfyUI has already created a ComfyUI wrapper for this, which you can find in the custom node manager. However, if your ComfyUI have strict security settings like I do, you could do manual installations. I'll show you how to set it via the terminal. First, let's grab the repository. Go to the GitHub page for ComfyUI MMAudio, navigate to your ComfyUI directory, enter the custom nodes folder and open a CMD window there. Type git clone and paste the repository URL. Now we need the dependencies. If you are using ComfyUI Portable, navigate back to your root folder where your Python executable is, copy the pip install requirements from the GitHub page and run them. Restart your ComfyUI after the requirement installation's finished. While waiting, let's get our models ready. In your ComfyUI/models folder, create a new folder named MMAudio. Download the required models into this folder. Link on video model is on video description. Pro tip, you can choose between FP16 or FP32, but make sure you stay consistent and use the same precision for all files to avoid errors. Now let's build the workflow. Add the MMAudio model loader and select your model. Then add the MMAudio feature URLs loader. This is where you'll select your VAE syncformer and clip models. If you just downloaded it, press R if the model not showing up to refresh the model repository. Add the MMAudio sampler. Connect both the model and feature loaders to it. Use load video path from the video helper suite. Also add a video info node. Connect the video info to this node. Connect the video info output to the duration input of the sampler. This ensures the audio length matches your video perfectly. Finally, plug your images into the sampler. For the output, you can use preview audio if you just want the sound file, but to merge them, use the video combine node. Automation tip: map the FPS from your video info node directly into the video combine node. This way you never have to manually change frame rates when swapping videos. Let's run a test with no prompt. As you can hear, it generated some basic background music and wave sounds. If you want a cleaner sound, use negative prompts. By adding background music to the negative prompt, we get this. Much better. Now let's try something specific like birds chirping. On an RTX 4060 Ti 16 GB, a 3-second video takes about 30 to 70 seconds to process. That's impressively fast. One thing to watch out for: the model tends to hallucinate talking voices if it sees a character's mouth moving. For a few-second video, you'll need to be more descriptive in your prompt to keep the audio realistic. Here are a bunch of examples.
都是我可能不可能，
Đó, ngốc ta, vậy ta bao tờ, vì anh kia này cái trái rục thì không đại từ có hai đợt, có cái này, bạn tay kia đang đâu, nhiều bạn như vậy còn ăn đã, đi đi. No, what's up with the politas? Yeah, I'm not sensitive to. Mất sạch cầm. Yung may mga kahanan natin. Hindi mo ba natin yung hiyo na ikin po tingnan mo na hiyo eh. Hindi mo kailan. Yung mo hindi na natin na eh.
Skate this card. Default. Okay, X. Just come by. Look, wait, Ken.
MMAudio is a fantastic tool to breathe life into your AI creations. While it's not perfect yet, it's a massive step up from a silent video, especially when paired with the realism of WAN 2.1. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I've left the links to the models and the workflow tips in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.